All right. Mean, median, and mode. Pretty basic stuff. You've covered this all before. Okay, so mean is the average of a set of data values. The median is the middle value. When they're arranged smallest to largest, they have to be in order. If there's no one middle number, then the two middle numbers are averaged. And the mode is the value or values in a data set that occur the most often. So to find the mean, you've been doing this for years. All you do is add up all the data and divide it by how many you have. Okay, so let's find the mean age of presidents. So basically all you're going to do is you add up all these numbers, and all these numbers. And then you divide by the number of presidents. All right. To find the median, first off with these, you have to put them in order. Okay. Okay, so for this one, we have to put them in order first. So we have to do the 4. I usually like to cross them out. Next one would be 7. Then 11. 12. There's 2 14s. And then there's 24. Oh, 16 and 24. Now, count how many you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you have 8 still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, some people like to cross them off, but then if you need to redo anything with them, it gets messy. So I just underline, and I work my way into the middle. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and then 4, 4. These are my two middle numbers, which means now the median is actually in between there. So I have to actually add 14 plus 12, divide by 2, and I get 13. That's my median. Okay. Now, if I add another number here or over here, then my median would actually be 12 or 14, depending on which side I add to. Okay, because I would have 9 numbers. I have 4 on the left, 4 on the right, and a number in the middle. All right. Now, we're not going to do this, but again, this would be time consuming, but you would write all the numbers, all the ages in order. Okay, there'd be some repeats. You'd write them all in order, and then you'd work your way to the middle to find the median age. Same concept, just more numbers. All right, the mode. Which one occurs more often? Well, you don't have to write them in order. It does make it easier to find repeats, but we already did this, so we know that there's 2 14s. All right, so the mode would be 14. Because there's 2 of them. There's more 14s than anything else. But you can have what's called bimodal. So if I had another 12 here, then I would actually have to say 12 and 14 are the mode, and it's called bimodal. I could have trimodal and so forth. You can have a tie as long as there's a clear leader. But if there was 2 of every number, 2 12s, 2 14s, 2 7s, and so on, there'd be no mode, because there's 2 of everything, and it's a tie. And again, with something like this, it does kind of help to put them in order and see. But you can see, like, 57. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So that might be a possibility. But then, 55. There's 1, 2, 3 of those, so 57 still winning. But it would help if you write these all in order, the mode would kind of jump out at you. Again, that'd be time consuming, but we could do it. And that's it though. Very simple.